Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hey, we're going out to the... Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hey, we're gonna go swimming with the little fishies. Get ready.
No! We're going diving. Jump in, jump in, jump in. Cut.
Hey, welcome to my crib, MTV. Just like take a look around, like just like take a look, like look at my crib. Like, sorry I'm rich and you're not.
No, this is my place. You're just living off of my money.
Wrong. How do you get in there?
What the heck did you just say?
Wrong.
So we're out here.
We're out here in our tile room.
Agujero.
Stop yelling that.
Sí, es que no tiene nada. Vamos a ver cuánto. Pues de ahí venimos nosotros.
Why is the sliding kind of good?
Hemos salido de frente y luego.
Wait, let me change to the different setting.
Awesome. It looks like a sunset.
But that is my son. S-O-N.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
What are you doing? Oh, Sevilla, whatever it is called.
Doesn't even, uncultured swine doesn't even know where we are.
What?
Always with the hair flip.
Oh. Now for Martika's turn.
Oh. Ooh.
It's not a photo shoot. This is a video. Slow-mo it down and it's like...
Life is a photo shoot.
Who are these uglies? Approaching.
We got another fan. Stop.
Hey, JC. Tell me, what are you wearing?
Jeans Warehouse. Gucci.
Get out of the shot. At least it's warm in here.
I know.
Because I'm not cold. We have Bianca in her natural habitat.
This is my sister. My sissy. Watch, she talks to me.
She does not know how to communicate with her siblings.
She's talking to me. She really is talking back. See? It's talking to me. It's talking. Oh, now she's scared. You made her mad.
Bianca sucks.
She's coming for me. Not trying to be duck dinner.
Ducks will be the dinner though.
I think people feed the fish, but not the ducks.
Hey guys, we love our fans. They're really great.
Oh, look at that. There you go. Aw, the poor duckies didn't get any food. Get in there, girl. Probably got their feet bitten, though.
Little does she know it's a video.
I wasn't talking about you. Okay. Very self-conscious about
I love you.
Like Greece. Like a scholar. Yes.
Hey vlog.
Hey guys.
We're under this umbrella.
Soaking wet.
Good thing we're the same height. So it works out. Yeah, it works out.
It works out really well.
Oh, this is a great clip.
It's pouring rain. It's cold. It's wet. We're homeless.
I know, we have no home.
Scared.
No blanket. I don't have a jacket.
We want to go to Madrid. Snap our fingers and we'll be back.
At least we got pretty views. Oh,
Look, now there's no one.
My pretty view.
Now there's no one in the plaza.
Oh God. No. R.I.P. Tell me this is not Disney World. This is insane. Yes! Look, it's real. My fairy tale.
Hey, just bought this new
Oh, no.
crib on TV. Welcome back. You know what it is.
This is not Sukasa.
What's up, MTV? This is my crib.
Like people actually do like little boat things on here too, kind of like in
So basically we're in Venice this weekend.
No, this is so pretty.
This is so beautiful. Like me.
Prom. Photos don't come with me. Insert really aggressive music. Pause to really elegant music. Those are my ducks. Keep back to me with the really aggressive music. Okay, where the fuck is JC?
We don't know.
Update, we lost one of our
Our members, our team 10.
Oh my lord.
I don't know how to tell if this is in focus.
No wait.
Hey guys.
Oh. Dude, where the fuck are you at?
In front of that
Oh. There she is. Flip it to her, flip it to her. There she is. Zoom in.
I can't zoom.
Oh.
There she is.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. It'll zoom as she gets closer.
How do you like this?
I'm gonna get married here in front of that fountain.
Oh, that would actually be beautiful.
Yes! Taken in and brought in by horse.
Me and my bae, we just bought this new house.
This is our honeymoon gift from both parents. Thanks, it's kind of small, but you know, it'll do.
I guess we have to deal with it.
Raise our chickens here. Call it a day.
Wait, what?
Nothing, you can't expose her like that.
Oh, because JC peed in the boat.
No.
Let's turn left.
Okay. Aw, so cute.
Alright,
Okay,
you
I'll pretend
ready?
to steer with you.
I've never driven it. Oh no, that's not true.
Don't go on that dip though. I won't.
Oh god. I can't reach. Oh my god, oh my god.
Okay?
Everyone's okay.
I'm like steering.
Close this thing up.
Oh, I feel like I'm doing this whole thing by myself. My legs are full sore.
I know, me too, guys. Oh. Okay, I'm on.
Oh, I'm not tall enough. It gives me a big wedgie.
Oh, now we're picking it up, people.
Go, 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 go.
Go, no.
Okay,
We had a casualty.
go ahead.
Break? I don't think so.
Yeah. That got very serious very quick. Are you okay, Martin?
Okay, vamos.
Okay. Wait.
Her plate is fun.
Wait, can I steer now? Yes, you can.
Bye, Martika. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Who is Wonder Woman?
Let me just get us out of here.
I am Wonder Woman. Oh my god. I love the rain.
Wet. I get wet.
No.
It's relaxing.
No, guys, it's the stuff that was.
I got soaked. Did you get soaked?
Yes, I did.
Oh my back.
Shirt.
Let's do it again.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's on the roof, dudes. No, don't do it again.
I'm not, because I'm going to get wet. That would just be annoying.
Okay, there's a plaza over there.
So I think it's if you turn right.
It looks really pretty, though. What are those?
My shoes are so sucia. Well, not,
Sophia.
I have an excuse to buy new ones.
Oh yeah, we love
We love new things. Me. I have an excuse to buy. Nutella juice.
Comfort.
Okay. I think.
Hey guys. Today I'm a caterpillar.
You look like a worm. Or an uncircumcised.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm an uncircumcised weenie.
Stop. Stop it.
So funny.
From the side.
Okay, let's go. This is what I'm saying.
Oh my god, you look like one of those like worm things. Get it away. Are you taking pictures of Dunkin' Donuts? What?
Hey guys, welcome back to America.
We're back. We're back. And we're back. We're back. How annoying can we be in one? Oh, oh, daddy.
Ooh. Hey, daddy. Hey.
Hey.
What if we're like walking around and like people see us? They're like,
Famous.
they're vlogging.
Especially because of my camera.
No, literally exactly. That's what I'm saying.
And they're like famous Americans.
Like, yeah.
But we're not.
We are.
Yeah, we are.
Hopefully none of our fans come find us.
I know, like there's so many of them. Like
Also, can we just take a moment and realize Homegirl's not wearing a jacket? No, you. What's that?
fatality.
Okay, now back. Okay, she's not wearing a jacket.
Or are
despite
you
the-
holding this too?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like a team effort.
I was trying to like point it down at you. No, not at you. Okay, mind you, I'm in a turtleneck. Is it a t-shirt? Mind you, I told her this morning, I was like, it's gonna be cold. It's supposed to rain.
No, it felt.
And
she goes,
Y'all have an umbrella?
what part of the umbrella is gonna keep your ass warm? Let me tell you.
my arm.
None of it. You're gonna be cold and you'll be dry-ish. Again.
Take the microphone. There's too much of you in my video.
Ow! Your bracelet! Guys, we need to send her to European jail. Yeah. It's like the baby running away video with the camera. Something tells me she's gonna make fun of my chubby cheeks and chickling. She's given up. Squad. There she is. I'm sorry. We gotta stay 10 steps ahead of her. That way I can see her start running. You're gonna watch this back and it's gonna be so funny.
Okay. Let's get back to normal.
Okay.
That was just
We did a lot of exercise today. Not only we've been walking since 6 a.m. and it's 4:30,
And we didn't sleep last.
but we rode a bike for approximately 20 minutes.
Oh, we did. Brandon.
Oh.
Oh, burn.
Okay, well she has been walking since about 6 a.m.
I was too short.
We did a lot of stopping and eating though.
True.
Is this in focus?
I don't think I burned off anything yet.
Something will be in focus. Oh, ew. The amount of times I've thrown up inside of my mouth today is ridiculous.
The camera's perfectly focused on me.
That's
And
all
my
that
cheeks.
matters. We need more people involved.
Okay.
Am I not good enough for you guys?
Where's Hotase? There she is. This is the squad.
Do you have any interesting stories?
Show everybody the golden tower.
Oh, it's not very gold.
Is the top of gold?
Where? Oh.
This is where the ship stopped. It was the last thing in Europe they saw before they went to the New World. Probably died and
History lessons by Martika. Hey guys. I'm
10 screenshots and I'll push her in the street.
Hey guys. It's might rain. So what's the weather like?
it's 30%
How original. It's actually not raining right now.
It's gonna. And here we have this light.
Wow.
There's that building.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful description. Thoughts?
I think the light is more interesting.
The light is more interesting than the tower?
Yes.
Brianna just tried to capture a pigeon.
Wait, can you try again?
No.
Thing in like middle school when you're like 12 and you used to make videos with your friends and you thought you
Okay.
were really cool.
Yeah.
I think we've reverted back to
I
that.
need to be,
Okay.
No, I need to be really close to see
Okay.
you and hear you.
Okay.
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 Just open your mouth and like, let's put them in there.
Okay.
With your fingers.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, that's too clean.
Yeah, you can see too much of Brianna.
Hate you.